So now it's time to discuss about the layouts. So first of all, what we need to know what is layouts, and by default we have a layout file built in. When you install Next.js, it will come automatically. Okay, so layout is something. The layout system enables developers to define layout that can be shared across different pages and components. So it can be shared different pages and components, and it seamlessly supports use case like global layouts, per page layouts, and nested layouts specific to a section of the site. So it will be shared, and before that we need to understand about the children. So what is rendering by the children? So let's go. This is our home page or root page. So let's inspect. So what we are getting? We are getting en, I mean this en, and inside body we have hello world, and my name is Shakil. You see hello world and my name is Shakil. It is rendering. So where from it is coming? So it's coming from this page. So this time, as it is home page, it's rendering hello world and my name is Shakil. But look closely. If I change the routes, what it will render, like about, say about. This time it will render. You see this is HTML body deep. This is about page. You see this time it is rendering. This is about page, and it's coming from about. This is about page, and if I go to the nested, and this time you see this is nested page. This is nested row. This is nested row. So can you understand what's the children is rendering from the root layout? So sometimes it is page it is page.tsx. Sometimes it is about page.tsx, like that. Okay, so the children is sometimes becoming about.tsx, sometimes it is page.tsx or nested page.tsx, and if we go to the login, it will render. Say if we go to the login, you see it's rendering. This is login page, and it's coming from here. Okay, this is login page. So I want to show, I want to say you that what children is rendering. Sometimes it is, this is root page, sometimes this is about page, sometimes it is nested page, sometimes it is login page. So which route we are visiting, it's rendering that. Okay, I hope you will understand. If you don't understand, hit the comment button. I will give you the answer. Okay, so this children is rendering several times, several things depending on the our route navigation. Okay, so now define some shared layouts. I mean, if we write header over here, so I am giving in some class, or should not give class over here. I'm giving some background over here, header. So give it a busy color, say busy amber 700. Okay, and give it a footer. Give it a different color, say yellow. Let's see. Maybe I have not saved. Header, what is footer? Header is coming, but not footer. I mean, I have to write down something. Footer. Okay. So this is header, this is footer. So it will share. So it will be shared different pages. So it will be shared different pages. Like if I go to the about page or nested page, it will be shared. Inside nested page, it will be shared. Inside about page, it will be shared. Okay. If I go to the login, it will be shared. Okay. And inside you will get the header and footer also. Deep. This is header. This is header and you are getting the footer. So it is sharing. This is login page among different pages. So this is the root layout. So it has been shared to the different pages. So you can go for the nested. So I hope you will understand. If you don't, shoot the comment box and I will answer your question. Okay, so I am creating a nested layout now. So if I wanna have something should be shared inside about page, so I'm creating a layout for a specific layout for that. So not like that. It should be const. I'm writing it from scratch from about page layout equal to return deep, and it should be children. So children will come from here as a profs, and as it is Typescript, so it's giving some error. So we should write children and react node. So I wanna render something new. So right here, this is about page layout. So this is specific for about page, and it will not you will not get it another pages. So I'm not getting it in the login page. I'm not getting in the registration page. I'm not getting it in the home page. But if I go to the about page, export. Oh, yeah, oh sorry, I need to export default. Export default about page layout. Yes, you see about page layout, and this is specific for about page. Only if you visit to the about page you will get it, and you will get it in the elements console. Okay, so I hope you got my point. If you don't understand, let me know. I will clarify it once again. So this is the layout, and we have discussed about the layout and nested layouts. Okay, so layout is being shared among several pages, and we are creating a specific layout for another pages. It will be shared if you visit on that specific routes, but it will not be shared another pages. So here is not, it is not here. If you visit login, register, forward password, you will not get it. Okay. I hope that will make sense. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to stay connected. It will be a tremendous journey. Thank you very much.